What's up, my peoples? There's Broden. Let her eat. Oh boy, bro, he does donuts. Look at him. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Oh my gosh, I almost nosedived. That would have been bad. Oh my gosh, I almost flipped. It's super wet out here. Fix my mic. Alright. Get Lex's GoPro because we have footage of him and me and Lex on there. We played hide and go seek. So that was really fun. Probably gonna play that again sometime. Yeah, Lex actually blown the belt on the Polaris. So that video's coming soon. I ain't had time to upload it, which sucks. Go through the bad stuff. Ow! Something bit me. I do have bad yellow flies back here. Holy cow, we are ripping. Holy cow. Oh no. Forgot to get Lex out here on a four-wheeler. This is gonna be my worst video because I did not plan this video. I just got on the four-wheeler and went. So yeah. Apparently he said he was gonna gun it through this mud hole over here. But it's a pretty bad mud hole. It's a pretty bad mud hole. I did it in the last video. Or can go ahead and send it in here so we can see how he does. I'm calling it, he's getting like mad stuck. Yeah guys, I'm barefoot. Oh my gosh. Should have went faster. I have to go help him. What time I got out of there? I'm gonna have to wash up in the pond. Or in my mud hole. Well, not mud hole, but my water hole. Because I am a moldy. And I do not like being moldy. My nuts. Send that. I'm scared, Broden. Blood. Where's blood going? Oh, let me go get him. I do not know where blood's going. Where is blood going? Where is bro going? We're gonna have to take our guys to the creek. Let's go in the creek real quick. Let's go in the creek real quick. My bad. I'll have them. Huh? Yeah, tell them about that story.
What?
Tell them about that story.
I got off my four-wheeler once for like 30 minutes, and I came back because it was inside the neutral. It had rolled all the way down some kind of hill, and I couldn't find it for a long time.
It's like a dog went missing.
Yes, it ran away because I was inside neutral.
Y'all, it gets deep in here.
What?
It gets deep. It gets deep.
What?
It gets deep! But there's some really nice water in here. At least. Put in sports mode. Yeah. Should I go in for a four-wheel drive?
Yeah, four-wheel drive.
Alright. Yeah, guys, because we got stuck in here, and bro, we were not getting out. It gets deep right here, so.
Right here?
Yeah. No, it's like right up here. It's like right there. Oh, God.
Uh-oh.
See, blood, we got stuck already.
Reverse?
Yes. Shake it. Shake. Shake it. Oh my gosh.
Four-wheel drive forward.
It is a four-wheel front diff lock. Alright guys, so we got the winch attached.
Let's start it back up.
Right.
There we go.
guys, look up.
Mom's gonna look at my life. It's recording.
Yep. Oh, yeah, it's park.
My mom's gonna look at Life 360 and see me in the middle of a river.
We're gonna go through another bad hole. I don't know. We're going through it again. Should we go through it again? Huh?
What?
Should we go through it again?
No.
No, we're gonna go through it again. No, I gotta redeem myself. I got to redeem myself.
Or you might just embarrass yourself.
I'm a Can-Am holder. I don't embarrass myself. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in 4 sports mode and low and diff lock. No, we ain't gonna put it in diff lock yet. All right. Oh, buzz. Honda 300 could get here. Get through here. All right, you ready? All right, now our worst imminence. Alright guys, so we just heard a howl. I swear.
Give me the slide.
That's an owl.
I don't care what it is.
Oh, why am I laughing?
It could be a squirrel.
It still gets pretty deep. I think my belt's slipping. I am redeeming myself.
No, redeeming you. Don't get us stuck again.
I'm gonna redeem myself. Chill.
You're not.
Yes, I am.
Don't get us eaten by Bigfoot.
I might got stuck right here.
Go over to the side a little bit more so that like we don't get stuck in the
That's what I'm gonna do.
You're going good like that.
4-wheel drive, sports mode. We're keeping her in high. Alright guys, are you ready? I can't even see the bridge. I don't know where I'm going. No, almost. I should have stayed on the gas. Hold on. Oh my, dude, I almost redeemed myself.
Bro, whatever.
There's a bone right there. Oh my.
There's a bone just floating by my foot.
Okay guys, this is how we're getting out. A winch. Third time. Are you ready?
God.
We're stuck again.
What diplock? Alright.
Alright guys, we're gonna watch Broden get it out. Alright guys. He was not joking, guys. GoPro died. stuck 10 times right after that, and we thought we were filming, and we sent it a lot while we were not filming. So, yeah. Well, peace to the out. Peace.